Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve data ethics with Pinterest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of data ethics in the digital age. Familiarize yourself with Pinterest's current data policies and practices. Review Pinterest's community guidelines to ensure that they align with ethical standards. Identify the types of personal data Pinterest collects from users. Assess how this data is used for targeted advertising and content recommendations. Analyze the potential risks associated with data misuse and breaches. Engage with Pinterest's transparency reports to gain insights into their data handling practices. Research best practices for data ethics from reputable sources and organizations. Conduct surveys or focus groups to gather user opinions on data privacy concerns. Develop strategies for enhancing user consent and data transparency. Consider implementing features that allow users to control their data and privacy settings. Advocate for clearer communication from Pinterest regarding data usage among users. Promote regular audits of Pinterest's data practices to maintain accountability. Encourage Pinterest to invest in data security measures to protect users' information. Collaborate with data ethics experts to create informative content for users. Implement educational campaigns to raise awareness about data ethics on the platform. Regularly update your approach based on user feedback and changes in data regulations. Monitor industry trends to ensure adherence to evolving data ethics standards. Foster a culture of trust by prioritizing user welfare in data practices. Continue to advocate for improvements and refinements in data ethics on Pinterest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.